I'm here at Nikola again. This is March 28th, and it's very sunny and a little windy, so the sound might not come through very well. But I just flew over the facility, and there is a new building going up, which is surprising since it's only been 2 weeks since I've been here last. So I'm excited about seeing the construction moving on quite rapidly. Unfortunately, this will be my last time I can come here this season because, well, it's time to go home to North Dakota here in the next 8 to 10 days. So I wouldn't have time to come down here to video this and edit it, and I got to get packed and ready to go back home. But there's a lot of construction going on. Air conditioner units definitely on the roof now. Things are progressing quite rapidly here for Nikola Motors. I bought 10 shares of their stock. Not that that's a big deal. I think when I was trading the last, it was about $14 a share. I bought it at 17. So I would buy more, but who knows? I wish I was here to finish the being here when they finish construction to see if they really go. But apparently they're progressing on. They're spending millions of dollars here, I'm sure. But anyway, look at the aerial shots. I think you'll be impressed with the construction, the rate of construction going on here. And talk to you later. Oh, one other thing. I am heading over to Lucid Motors right now, which is 25 miles that direction towards San Diego. I'm going to go over there and just see if they've got any cars rolling out of their assembly plant. I don't think they do, but we will find out shortly. But thanks for watching.